What's up, guys, and welcome back to PFI Speed. We have been just going crazy, working on all kinds of stuff. I've got this sweet 3-rotor RX-7 in here. I've been tinkering on here and there, working on getting the fuel tech mounted inside. Super trick like in a carbon piece there, and then little fuse box thing back here. Just kind of trying to get this thing to get to the dyno. I gotta do a battery box and a battery there, but we're working, tinkering, doing some things, and we got some things to talk about. Alright guys, so as we all know, ICC was a bust, and I'm not talking about of the nut. The jack off did not happen. The guys, we called out Booster Boy Kyle and Cleet, and the Hurricanes, they've been just getting hit left and right, and they haven't been able to get even out of Florida to enjoy some of this awesome weather that's been all over the rest of the US. So we've nailed down 2 matching lowboy jacks, Pittsburgh gray, clapped out sons of guns, and we're gonna get back on to jacking off real soon here. We're gonna have these jacks in full force going again in a jack off. I hope you are freaking ready. We're itching to get back to jacking off, busting nuts. It has been too long. You know, we have been busy trying to clean up, catch up, do all this stuff around and in and out of the shop, and so we've got the Honda Charity Car Show this weekend. Mario and I are gonna be taking our cars and a couple more out there. We're gonna have to steal a transmission and a few things here and there from another car, put a stock clutch in it, and get it driving so we can hard park it next to the CRX. We got lots of stuff going on, and can't wait to bring you guys all in and share it all with you. We're gonna be kicking butt, jacking off, and having a great time. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe down to this GoofyBuilt, and we'll see you there. Austin killing it, making himself some wide fenders for his Del Sol. Jack Off 9000 coming to you live. Rudy Tooty. What a great time. Yo, Mario, check out his sick fenders, dude.
Yeah.
Both sides are looking sweet. We're freaking about to lay some spray, dude. Chachi gonna go hard on this dog. Chachi grew up spraying graffiti in the dark, dog. He's born in the dark.
You just merely learn your ways of the dark, or whatever Bane says. Well, I'll dub that over it.
Yeah.
My lips will just keep moving while it says that. Then it'll be Bane saying that.
Okay.
You just merely born in the dark.
Adapted it.
Yeah, adapted to the dark.
So it's gonna be like a straight up like a Banksy paint job.
Well, I would do
Yeah.
the voice, but like it cracks me up when I do the voice every time. Like, you're
Bane.
just
Woo! Dude, Chachi is really killing it. What do you call this? Is this Nebulon 5, bro? What is this?
I think Austin gets to name it. But he wanted
your masterpiece, bro.
Oh, thank you. He wanted some space stuff.
What about Blurple Galaxy?
Man, Austin's car doesn't even look the same. He killed it on the fenders. Chachi killed it on the paint. Super sick. Just rad. Kick ass, brother.
So just like last year, we have the Colorado Honda Car Show coming up, and I have a broken transmission that is over here. I know we haven't updated anything, but it's it's literally just still sitting. So, you know, I'm not in any hurry, but we got a stock boy over here. I got the stock clutch thrown back on my own. So I'm gonna set up the time lapse in case I drop this thing on my head, but I'm just gonna get it thrown in there so we can get this thing rolling on a stock setup. We got to drive into the car show in style. We can't just push it in. That'd be insane. So, all right, wish me luck. I will trans this back in and bolt it up. I just gotta throw all the rest of the stuff on it. That actually wasn't too bad. You know, the single clutch life is much simpler. So yeah, just gonna get this thing tidied up.
I know that guy. I hear Mario. Is he going the long way? Sounds like it. He's going the long way. Getting her warmed up. But Mario's down there. He just pulled in. BP is here. Killer. Brian Phillips.
Could stand for big pimping. Could
Yeah.
stand for butt pirate.
Right? There's a lot of different things.
There's a lot
We're setting up. We got the thing. Woo! This is hype right here. Kyle's got a fresh shine on here. Looking good. New CRV. Kyle's CRV's looking sick. Filling out. Everyone's here. We got Robert, the Goon Squad. Mario's back there setting up posters. Austin Pachi. Brian Phillips, the Honda Boys. Yeah, super sweet. Pachi, or the all-wheel drive EK, EK. Javi's been working on. Jake and the whole squad. Donno's van. Everyone's filling out. Bob. This is awesome. This is sweet. Oh shoot, Zach just came out. Fresh TP. Fresh TP, he's got him set up. Yeah, dog. That's my boy. He knew Mario would need it. Yeah, dog. Zach's the boy.
Imagine like singing. That's him.
27 pounds, H22, H2B, you know, 73 millimeter turbo. Nothing crazy, but.
All right, Brent. Cool. So we got 1100, couple 1,000, 7. Cool. So we're gonna do a race real quick. foot race. We're gonna see if your 1,000 horsepower could beat the little 700. We're gonna see, and whoever wins get a T-shirt. So let me get my best four right here.
Yeah, he's fast.
Or whoever wants to go first.
Shame.
Two more. Yeah. Oh, all right. Who thinks Goofy gonna win?
Woo!
He's skinny. Y'all better look at him.
fast.
Who do you think he's gonna win? No, you gonna win? All right, line up by the cone over there. Y'all better give them some room. They need some space to stop. Back up a little bit. If you jump, you out.
No jumping. Red lights count.
Michael with the 700 horsepower.
Oh, dude.
dude.
Oh, you money shifted it on the. Oh, damn, dude.
Oh my gosh, Goofy, you slipped, baby.
Money shifted out there, dude. Oh shoot.
No, you're in the final. Stay back.
I didn't have the track pack on, bro.
Okay. Scoot over a little bit. A little bit more. Okay, there we go. Who think Mario gonna win? Fastest front wheel drive prelude. All right, I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3. Go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, that was a race.
It was a tie.
I don't know.
Was it Javi or?
It might have been Javi. It was close. It might have been Javi. It was really close.
It
It was really
All
close.
right, Michael and Javi,
Dude,
go
you
ahead.
gotta watch the replay, bro. He had it right there, dude.
Really? You have the. Oh.
Oh, my boy got some speed. You might be half black, baby. You got the extra ligament.
I think I might have blown out the legs though. I broke a gear on the
Next time we
legs.
got the
don't know if you know
power
this,
race.
but
Where's my daughter at?
I brought the slicks,
Come on,
dude.
bud. Come up here.
Yeah, you need a new set.
I didn't bring
You were
the
all
track
over
pack.
the.
This is our first time trying it, so
Yeah.
I need. You ready, Zaylee? Ooh, I'm heartbeating. You ready, little man? All right, you guys ready?
Hold on, you there.
All right, thumbs up, bud. All right. 1, 2, 3, go! Go, Zaylee, go! Go, Zaylee, go! Go, Zaylee, go! Let's go! Good job, little man. Good job.
Got the
I'm
W.
sorry, y'all. That's my daughter right there, so I got her. She in the finals now. Come on, let's go. Here we go. 1. Is he ready, bro? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Go, Gabby! Oh my gosh! Gabby got off the line quick. He broke the transmission. Gabby's off to the finals, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my gosh! Great job, guys. Great job.
That thing almost pulled a wheelie.
Yeah.
You do like the upside down can of compressed air, like purging your nitrous.
All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, go! Who guys are we gonna need the replay? I could not tell.
I gotta go back to the replay.
That was right lane.
Who was that? Was that you?
Right lane by a bumper.
Who's got the finish line, Cam?
Excuse me. We got the finish right here. Right lane by a bumper.
Oh, Zaylee got it. Zaylee got it. There's your winner.
Let's go.
Now they just need to now the crews just need to fight and be all dramatic about rerun.
How close was it?
Rerun. No.
That was awesome.
The line and starts two-stepping. I mean, you feel it in your chest. I might have him hit it after here on the show because it's just absolutely amazing. He works super hard. He's there for everyone. Works on his other people's cars before he even touches his cars, and still goes out and makes a pass. My man Shane. With the
That's my
CRX.
boy.
Where you at, Shane?
That's my boy.
The P5 boys. Look at him. Look, he trimmed during the race and picked himself back up and got a trophy. Here you go. Good job, man. This is Brent's son right here. That's the future right there, guys. All right, we got Best JDM 3350, the Acura Legend. Where you at, man? Hey, there you go.
What's
good.
up?
Look at it.
That's awesome.
What the heck?
Yeah.
Damn, dude. You're a show car guy now?
Show car guy, dude.
Dude.
I know you wanted it, but
That's messed up, dude. We gotta fight now.
Didn't we all want that?
yeah, we were
Yeah.
all racing for it.
Congratulations.
Took it to the finish line.
I mean,
It's good to see you again, Brian.
ostensibly, I'm just gonna vicariously I won through you since you built my
We'll
car.
put it up in your garage, brother.
No.
It'll go
Yeah,
up in
no,
the
now
shop
you
for
could
sure.
you could hold your hood
The
open with it.
podcast room.
Oh yeah, it'll be perfect for that.
Yeah.
Have a little trophy case.
Yeah. My hood risers don't allow me to do that.
Oh, true.
Maybe they do. I don't know.
It's kind of. I thought it was solid metal. I don't know. Yeah, it's gonna bend.
I don't know what you're talking about, though.
Best race car.
Barely. The hood risers help. It's awesome, man. Yeah. We got the sticker. Yup.
That was very. That was pretty spicy.
Super spicy.
Yeah. Riled up.
That's that car. Number one. Is it 100? What do you got? 100? Mine was at 100 when I started. Mine was at the same time when I started.
Well, I mean, it was a little bit up.
Yeah, like 90, 99, 98, 97. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Look at where we started. Look at where we started. Honda boys out here. Now the subs, see if he can be louder than our two-step. All right, CRX is all loaded up. Hear them driving some others down here. Austin's getting ready to load his up. The spray paint Chachi did looks so good. Goodness. Mario just drove his on, I think, or he's got to, just drove it over. Maybe he's got to roll down and then pull it on. Not sure, but frickin' pumped. What a good day. Austin's car turned out so good. Chachi killed it on the freaking graffiti he did. I think Galaxy on both of these. He did this too, graffiti. All right, so Mario is dialed.
Ribbed for her.
Super excited. Yeah, the trailer's ribbed for her pleasure. So we took it home. We took home some hardware. Back to the camp. I'm super excited. We've been working all year just to win one car show. I don't know how many we've been to, but
Yeah,
we did it. We did it. We did it.
I have my whole set of knuckles now.
Yeah, a whole set of
Locked in with
spared
stock.
knuckles, brakes, transmission, clutch. Like car show bump. The car show bumper was why you didn't win, bro. You left the car show bumper at the shop.
Best race car.
Yeah,
It's
right.
race
The
bumper.
best race car. This one, yeah.
Yeah, this one I was like, I specifically left it on.
For the
Look
race.
how raced out it is.
You are way more raced out back here than I am. I got a tow hitch.
That's racing.
It's racing, yeah. It holds my fuel cell in.
Yeah,
I love it.
that's all right. The camp took home a win.
The camp took home a win. An A series took home a win. You need more chain.
Brent just loves jacking off. It's crazy. Every single time, whip a camera.
Anytime somebody's jacking off, you can find Brent. What can I say? Give it the rod, I don't know. Which one's yours?
All right, well, the axle smoked, so they jacked it up. It's hanging, but so that we don't have to put a car in that trailer, they're gonna try to triple stack this thing. So let's see how wacky this gets, and yeah. Too wide as hell.
He's not a bastard. I'm his dad. Right here. I'm his dad. I'm right here.
That's perfect. That's gonna be a whole lot of Honda on the.
Watch the bumper. I don't know what he does.
Slow. How close? Right. Good. Is there enough room back there? Where's the rock?
Don't look at his wheel.
Run! Dang, so all three cars are on.
Yeah, we had some things go down. Axle's broken, but you know it's been bent for a while. We think We haven't really looked
Yeah.
at it too bad. We got this thing loaded up. Austin's truck is gonna tow the fleet back to Colorado. We were planning on picking another car up, but it looks like plans have changed once again. It happens like that around here. So we'll be back at the shop. We got tons of stuff to do. Bring tons of content to you guys. We got Mario's car, my car, lots of stuff happening over the winter. So stay tuned for all this great stuff. Like, comment, subscribe down below. This is GoofyBuilt, and peace out.